Okay, in this lecture, we're going to use a very useful jQuery plugin to add pagination, sorting, and filtering to our customers table. So open up Package Manager console and install package jQuery.DataTables. Set the version to 1.10.11. Now this happened magically fast here because I trimmed the video. But on your machine, it's going to take quite a few seconds, so be patient. Now in Solution Explorer, in Scripts folder, you see a new folder, DataTables, with lots of scripts. Most of these JavaScript files are extensions to DataTables, which give us more functionality. But at the core, we're going to use only 2 scripts here. So let's go back to our bundle config. Now, before adding DataTable scripts, I'm going to consolidate a couple of these bundles. We need jQuery and Bootstrap on pretty much all pages. So if you go to Solution Explorer, open up Views, Shared, Layout, and scroll to the bottom, you see we have 2 references here. One for the jQuery bundle and the other to Bootstrap. So I'm going to consolidate these 2 into a new bundle, which I call lib, which represents third-party libraries. Delete. Save. Now back to our bundle config. I'm going to rename this jQuery bundle to lib. So here we have the jQuery scripts. Now I'm going to bring in the scripts from Bootstrap bundle. So these 3 files. Cut. And paste them here. And then we get rid of this Bootstrap bundle. Okay, that's better. Now in our lib bundle, I'm going to add DataTables scripts. One is scripts, DataTables, jQuery.DataTables.js, which is the core DataTables script. And the other is /scripts/DataTables/DataTables.bootstrap.js, which integrates DataTables with Bootstrap. Make sure you don't have a typo here, otherwise your code is not going to work. Also, we need to add DataTables style sheet to our CSS bundle. So scroll down. This one is going to be under content /datatables/DataTables/DataTables.bootstrap.css. So this style sheet makes DataTables look like Bootstrap tables. Now we go back to our index.cs.html. In document.ready, before handling the click event, we get a reference to our customers table and simply call DataTable function on it. This is the simplest way to use DataTables plugin. Now build, because we have changed our bundles. Back to the browser, refresh. All right, look, we've got these icons on table headings, so we can sort each column. We also have this search box here. We can type something here, and DataTables plugin will only show the records that have this keyword in one of their columns. We also have this pagination. Now currently we have only a few customers, but if we had more than 10 customers, DataTables would automatically put them in different pages. And we get all this without writing any extra code. Now in this implementation, we render the view on the server and return HTML markup on the client. DataTables plugin will extract our data from DOM elements and construct its own list of customers. So it will maintain a bunch of JSON objects on the client, and whenever we search for something or sort a column, it will use these JSON objects to provide filtering, sorting, and pagination. Now this approach is pretty simple, and as you saw, it requires only 1 line of code. But this comes with a cost. We are returning all this HTML markup from the server, and then DataTables has to parse this markup to extract the actual data. Now, this is not an issue if we have a small number of records, but if you're working with a few hundreds or thousands of records, It's better to get raw data from the server, give it to DataTables, and let it generate the HTML markup on the client. This way, instead of returning all the markup from the server, we return JSON objects, which are more lightweight, because we don't have all these HTML tags. Plus, DataTables Plug-in doesn't have to waste clients' resources to extract data from HTML markup. So in the next lecture, I will show you how to feed our data table using our customer's API.